Good evening, everyone. I'm Tiffany Davis, and I bring you an inspiring story of how doTERRA is making a positive impact in the lives of the people of Maui and how you and I can participate as well. The last week has been truly heartbreaking, seeing how these people suffer because of the wildfires. As a way to give back, I am joining in doTERRA's relief campaign to reach the goal of sending 200 72-hour emergency relief hygiene kits, and I ask for your help today to reach these 200 kits. Each kit includes a towel, toothbrush, adhesive bandages, deep blue rub samples, shampoo and conditioner packs, On Guard toothpaste samples, as well as their sanitizing hand wipes, and, this is the best part, a 10 milliliter Tea Tree Touch roll-on, which is perfect for any skin irritations or infections. Each kit is $25. Whether you purchase one or a bunch, every little bit helps a lot. I've added a link to this post so you can just click on it and fill out the form. I'll send you over the tax receipt within 24 hours. It's truly heartwarming to see a company like doTERRA stepping up and making a difference in the community. With every one of us giving what we can, it'll certainly turn things around for the better. I pray you join me in this journey of compassion and support. Let's come together and make a positive impact on the lives of the resilient people of Maui. Please share this post with your family and friends. Also, feel free to visit our campaign website to donate and learn more about how you can contribute. Thank you all so much for your support, and I pray you have a blessed night. Bye now.